Welcome in our lecture number 13 part C, work instruction for in-house calibration. Purpose: to establish and maintain the workmanship criteria for in-house calibration of gauges, checking fixtures, inspection jigs, and so on. Scope: all checking fixtures, no-go gauges, inspection jigs which are being used to measure the product are encompassed in the scope of this work instruction. Responsibilities: the QA department is responsible for following the instructions while calibrating measuring devices. Instructions: in-house calibration of checking fixtures. The manufacturing organization, for example vendors, suppliers in automobile and engineering sector, collects a set of approved original samples from customer organization, original equipment manufacturer, for intended purpose of indigenous development. This set of original sample comprise three numbers of similar samples. The purpose is just to use these samples as reference sample for development, inspection and calibration of checking fixtures. Organizations also develop checking fixtures ideally in three numbers and submit to customer engineering team for approval purpose with reference sample duly approved by customer's engineering team. All checking fixtures are calibrated in accordance with the approved sample. After approval, customer kept one copy of CF purposely to inspect the regular volume supplies. Organization keeps second copy of checking fixture with approved reference sample for their routine inspection during production, final inspection of supplies leaving the company premises. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. Whereas organization preserved third checking fixture as master reference checking fixture with approved reference sample. This checking fixture is being referred in the case of dispute, for example accidental damage or deformation of checking fixture by any means misplaced. In such cases, all checking fixture and reference samples of the part are being calibrated with reference to the master reference checking fixture and master reference sample of the part. Part B, in-house calibration of go and no-go gauges and other measuring device. Refer the column for due date of calibration in master list of approved checking fixture and reference sample and choose any those checking fixture, go no-go gauges and other measuring device which are due for in-house calibration. Refer list of master gauges. Ensure the validity of calibration for these master gauges before conducting in-house calibration. Select the master gauge or set of master gauges for calibrating the measuring device. For example, for calibrating snap gauge, refer to the slip gauge or set of slip gauge. Similarly, a set of slip gauge can also be used for calibrating the height gauge. Record the multiple reading by using set of different master gauges to ensure the measurability of the measuring device and document the finding, include error or adjustment of the in calibration certificate as well as in calibration sticker. QA department keep original calibration certificate in their departmental record and update checking fixture calibration plan. Any department after purchasing new measuring device send to QA department who enlist this new one measuring device in master list of measuring devices requiring calibration. QA department use and provide calibration sticker with appropriate information, for example instrument ID number, date and next date of calibration against each measuring instrument duly calibrated in-house. For specimen, this sticker is available in coding structure for identification of measuring devices as at AEC, Ali Engineering Company, is as below. Following the structure of alphanumeric code XXX-XXX-00. First 2 to 3 letters represent user department, 3 letters indicate the type of measuring instrument. For example, QAD VC01 means vernier caliper, whereas 2 numeric number indicate the serial number of measuring instrument within a quality assurance department. Following are the example of available measuring devices: quality assurance department, vernier caliper, QAD VC01 and so on. All checking fixture and reference samples are also identified with CF nameplate. Some organizations use color code for identification of customer. For example, in case of parts related to Suzuki Motor Company, all CF use use SMC can be painted in blue color. Similarly, Hino motor relay checking fixture can be painted in yellow color and so on. An ID plate are provided with CF covering following information: CF ID number, part name, model, and customers. Organization follow different methods for identification of checking fixture. For example, some use metallic plate duly riveted with the checking fixture, some use color codes, and some use paper tag affixed with the fixture and reference samples. Parameter of identification may also depends upon the customer's requirement. Related document: standard operating procedure and related records includes checking fixture, calibration plan, calibration certificate, calibration sticker, master list of approved checking fixtures, and reference sample. Distribution: QA office, QA laboratory, management representative file, central quality file. Approval format are same as already available in all SOP. Please refer other SOPs in our video channel. Now see the preview of this document. If you have any query, kindly feel free to contact with us on our given email address. Thank you very much for watching this video.